So let's say instead of working it out on this Google drawing right here, I wanted to show my work by hand and then add a picture to this document that I have in front of me. I could go ahead and work it out, and then when I'm done and ready to load my picture, I can go to Insert, Image, and then Camera. My camera will then pop up, and I can hold my work up to the screen and take a picture. Once I have, oh, that's a good picture of me. Once I have my work, I can resize it. I can crop it if I want to, because I don't want my face showing right there because that's not a very good face. And so I can go ahead and go like this, make sure it shows my work exactly how I want it to. And that is how you would add your work if you were to work it out on your paper instead of on the screen.